Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode on the channel. Today we have the iPhone 11 Pro. So I know on this channel I've done the iPhone 11 Pro Max unboxing, but today we're going to unbox the iPhone 11 Pro. This is in midnight green. I was unable to get this particular iPhone when I originally did the iPhone Pro Max unboxing. I unfortunately do not have that phone anymore because I did have some technical issues with it. Now this is the 256 gigabyte version, and we're going to get right started by opening the package. Now I can't say this enough, but Apple cases, like the boxes that they come in, are really premium feeling, and they impress me every single time that I unbox them. Now let's look at that. That looks amazing. This phone has that nice matte finish glass on the back. When I take it out of the case, so there's nothing protecting the back side. You do have this big camera bulge. When I had the iPhone 11 Pro Max, it wasn't a huge deal. It never really got scratched that much. Now on the front, they do give you, it's like a screen protector just to protect the screen in transportation. I'm actually going to swap that out with the official screen protector I have here from Jump Plus, just because I don't want to scratch it or accidentally do anything to it before I actually get to use the device. So on the install guide on the back here, it just says we have to wipe down the phone, peel it, and stick it on. So I'm going to do it in this room. It's actually a very clean room. I recommend doing this when the phone is clean. And currently, I think the phone is going to be as clean as it's ever going to get. I will still have to remove some dust from it. Hopefully, I think they did include a cleaning cloth. Yes, they did. And they included a little scraper tool, which is nice. So it looks like they got an alcohol prep pad. I don't really have to use that because the phone doesn't have any oil or any fingerprints on it yet, but I think I still will, just to make sure it's clean. You know what? I don't even think I need the alcohol prep pad. I'm just going to go ahead with the sticker and take off any loose debris that I see on the device. Now, I'm not a professional screen protector installer by any means. I think this is like the 6th screen protector I've ever installed in my lifetime. I usually get the people at the store to do it for me, but I got this device off someone else, so I wasn't able to do that. Okay, there's just a couple little specks on there. One more. Now, I don't know how good this screen protector is from Jump Plus. This was just the one that came with the device. So I'm hoping that it's pretty good. It says it has, it's real glass, sorry. It has perfect adhesion. It's supposed to be silicone adhesion, delicate touch, 9 hardness on the surface. I'm not sure if it would actually be 9 hardness. That would be something for Jerry Rig Everything to test out if you guys check out his channel. But it is very slim, and you can feel that there's the coating on it, the oleophobic coating, so that you don't make your screen all messy. So it looks like there's only one step. I just peel it off and then apply. So I'm going to try and get this lined up as good as I can. I'm going to try and line it up with the notch at the top maybe, and hopefully that helps. Okay, I think that went pretty flawlessly. It looks like I'm slightly over to the left, but that's okay. I'm not super worried about it. I just wanted to cover a majority of the screen. And once it's on, just push down around the edges to keep it secure. Looks like that side's having a little bit of trouble sticking. There we go. So why I like screen protectors is because I put my keys in the same pocket as my phone. I know I could just put it in the other pocket, but it's just more convenient for me. This screen protector, I know, like, you could probably use a phone without it and you get like minor scratches. Usually it doesn't help that much. On the phone that's recording this, I have my iPhone SE. I also did an unboxing of that. I have the Slam screen protector on it from D brand, and that screen protector seems to be holding up fairly well. I have dropped that phone a couple of times. This one I don't foresee myself dropping, but if I do, hopefully that screen protector helps it out a bit. All right, in the box, we should get some Apple stickers. Right there, we got our 2 Apple stickers. Do not like the ones that came with my Mac Pro that are gray. But what's really nice about this phone is we do get a fast charger. So this charger will charge it slightly faster than the charger on my iPhone SE that came in the box. This, I believe, is compatible with the SE, but you'd have to buy it separately. For the Pros, they included it. Unfortunately, they don't come with AirPods. You do get the standard earphones with them. And in the box, you get the cable with the USB-C on one end and the lightning adapter on the other end. Now, in a couple weeks when the iPhone 12 launches, they'll probably have a USB-C connector, I'm hoping. But we know that Apple will probably keep it as lightning because they make a lot of money off the cables. And if it's USB-C, there's a good chance a lot of people won't buy Apple cables anymore. So it comes with I believe this is a 1 meter cable. It feels about 1 meter. It's pretty short. You gotta keep it pretty close to the wall outlet. But it does work with the fast charging capabilities. You just plug the USB-C in here and the lightning adapter into the phone. So that's all that comes in the box with this phone. I'm really excited to see what iOS 14 looks like on this device. Maybe I'll do a little comparison of iOS 14 on an SE and on an iPhone 11 Pro. So this was just a quick little unboxing for you guys today. I'm gonna have to take the SIM out of my other phone to activate this phone if I want to use it. I'm pretty impressed with it. Like I've said before, I did use the iPhone 11 Pro Max for a while. The green does look a lot different. In person, it doesn't look that green. The sides of the phone look slightly teal, and it's a hefty phone. Like, it feels like it's a quality phone. I don't think this thing is going to break anytime soon, but I feel like that's just the materials that they used and not the actual components of the phone. The outside band you can feel is a very heavy duty material, and it feels really nice in the hand. So I hope you like this. I did a little screen protector install there for you guys. My first time doing it on camera, and you know what? It actually turned out really well. I'll see how it looks when I fully boot up the phone and put my SIM card in it. The one other thing that I got for this phone is I got an OtterBox. So I was originally going to go with the battery case for this phone, but after some review online, it looks like the battery case can sometimes mess with the iPhone 11 Pros. I don't know if this is actual true in the real world. I can tell you that from my experience with the battery case on the iPhone 11 Pro Max, I did have some trouble with the Wi-Fi. That was about, I want to say, half a year ago when I actually unboxed that phone and had the battery case for it. It was a white battery case, but I'm going to try without the battery case. The battery should last all day. Since we're now in this pandemic and we're always home and close to an outlet, it shouldn't really make a huge difference for me. So thanks for watching. If you like this content, please subscribe to the channel and press that like button and the notification bell if you want to see more. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.